Welcome to the future of SaaS. In today's video, we're diving into the world of AI-driven automation for your SaaS. Imagine a SaaS business that runs itself. From marketing automation to customer service chatbots,
The first hack is automating your marketing using AI tools. With ChatGPT or Jasper AI, If you're finding this useful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more automation tips that'll transform your SaaS business. Next, let's talk about AI-powered customer support. Chatbots like Intercom and Drift AI can handle common customers.
not only does it save time, but it also increases customer satisfaction by providing immediate responses. Imagine a world where Another amazing hack is automating your workflows. Tools like Zapier let you connect all your favorite apps. Imagine a scenario where you spend less time on tasks and more time scaling your SaaS business. That's the power of automation. Now, let's talk about data entry and reporting. Airtable combined with Make.com can automatically update spreadsheets. By automating data entry, you eliminate errors, save time, and ensure that your team can focus on what really matters, growing your SaaS business. Last but not least, using AI for business intelligence and analytics can transform the way you make decisions. Start integrating these AI tools into your SaaS stack today and unlock next-level efficiency and growth potential for your business.
To recap, we've covered 5 powerful AI hacks that will help you automate your SaaS business.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and comment below. Let me know which AI hack you're excited to try first.